Hi, I'm Daniel Itzkowski. Let me introduce you to Skunk Lock. We all know that gut-wrenching feeling of coming back and your bike's gone. That won't happen with the Skunk Lock. Skunk Lock is a bicycle lock that was designed with a built-in deterrent. It can actually stop a thief from stealing your bike. Lock manufacturers won't tell you the fact that any U-lock can be compromised with the right tools. The truth is, any lock can be cut in a minute or less. And that's why 1.5 million bikes are stolen each year. Let's not worry about electronics, which can fail, or a crook with an angle grinder. Let's pressurize a unique chemical compound into the lock that bursts if the lock is compromised. Skunk Lock is manufactured with the highest quality materials we can find. We've extensively tested our prototypes for your safety and convenience. It doesn't look like any other U-lock on the market. And unlike any other U-lock, a thief will get a noxious surprise if they try to steal your bike. When it comes to the challenge of delivering a Skunk Lock to your door, we're ahead of the crowdfunding curve. We have manufacturing in place, and they're ready to build upon receiving our first order. And Skunk Lock comes with easy key replacement. How would it feel if you never had to worry about your bike being stolen again? Join the revolution and grab a Skunk Lock. It could be the last lock you ever buy.
We are Turn 1, a Danish company dedicated to reinventing the bicycle lock. We have developed a unique multi-purpose lock that not only keeps your bike safe and secure, but also makes it easier to park, store, and transport. Our passion is green, sustainable transportation, and our goal is to develop innovative ideas that make life easier for cyclists worldwide. We are proud to introduce the multi-purpose bicycle lock, N-Lock. N-Lock is a patented stem lock. When locking your bike, simply turn to park position and remove the key. The handlebar is now completely detached from the front wheel, making the bike impossible to ride. With the optional cable solution, you can add safety. The cable is locked directly to the N-Lock, easy and simple. You can even get the cable integrated in the optional handlebar. The rotating handlebar makes parking in the city easier. The lock is located in the perfect height, so you no longer have to bend down when locking your bike. N-Lock saves you 40% space when turning the handlebar, making carrying and storing your bike in limited spaces easier and more comfortable than ever. N-Lock is made from the best materials available, securing strength and durability at all times. N-Lock also makes transporting your bike much easier, both for commuting and leisure. And you avoid the risk of scratching your car, caravan, or bike during transportation. Installing the N-Lock takes less than 5 minutes and can be done by everyone on all bikes. You can even reuse your own handlebar. Our production is ready, and all we need is your help to start shipping the N-Lock. Back us today and help revolutionize the bicycle lock. We believe it's time to get your bike N-Locked.
This is Relock. Relock helps you easily open your bike. It's very useful when your hands are full because Relock opens automatically without using your keys. Then, when you want to lock your bike, you can lock it simply with just one hand. And when you're not sure if you've locked your bike, you can conveniently check its status anytime and anywhere with the electronic key. Let Relock make your bike locking and unlocking easy so you can focus on the important things in life.
Hi, I'm Giel.
And I'm Richard.
Our whole life we have been inventing products which makes lives easier.
Our latest development is Relock, a lock that automatically unlocks without using your keys.
While I was visiting Amsterdam, I saw a lot of people getting frustrated because they couldn't find the keys of their bike. That was the moment that I came to the idea for an automatic lock without using your key.
Even though we live in the smartphone time, we didn't choose to use a smartphone because it has some serious limitations. For instance, if you have a dead battery with your smartphone, you cannot unlock. The other thing, if you want to loan your bike to someone else, you have to give your smartphone away.
And you don't do that.
No.
That's the reason we chose for an electronic key.
A small device that automatically reacts on your bike if you come close to it.
Hi, my name's Pete. I'm here today to talk to you about the Kryptonite Evolution Mini 5. The Evolution Mini 5 is rated a 7 out of 10 on our security scale, which is high security. It's great for quick stops in metropolitan areas or college campuses, or even an overnight in a suburban area. The Evolution Mini 5 comes with 3 stainless steel keys, one with an LED light, bent foot design for ease of use, and also a sliding dust cover to help keep dirt and grime out of your cylinder. Remember to register your key number with us, and in the event that you lose these keys, Kryptonite will send you 2 free replacement keys. Also, it comes with a bracket for easy attachment and transport while riding. The Evolution Mini 5 comes with a lifetime warranty. It's a 13mm shackle. The interior locking dimensions are 3.25 inches by 5.5 inches. The Evolution Mini 5, a high security U-lock, great for metro areas, college campuses, and suburb lockups. Also available in the Evolution Mini 7 with 4-foot flex cable and the Evolution Mini 9. For more info, check out kryptonitelock.com.